How do you make people fall in love with your brand? Answer: make them feel good about themselves. Okay, marketing versus branding. We use these words a lot, marketing and branding. Sometimes interchangeable, but there is a difference. Branding is what you feel about your brand and how they, your customer, feel about your brand. And of course, it also includes all the colors and logo and all the artistic ingredients that go into making a brand, as well as your identity, your DNA. What do you stand for? All this is branding. Now, marketing, on the other hand, is when you're telling someone to buy your product through channels like email and Facebook and Instagram and so on. Marketing is the vehicle. It's the means, the way to promote your brand. Make it about the customer. The customer is the hero. When you wear my suits, you will feel like $1 million. How do you make people fall in love with your brand? Answer: make them feel good about themselves. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.